Hi lovely people, have a good day to all of you. I'm Silent Solomon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in Campuestohan Highland Resort. So here we go guys, stay with me, enjoy watching my videos. I brought to you the amazing and beautiful place, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Hi guys, today I'm here in Campuestohan Highland Resort. So let's join me guys. This place is really beautiful and also famous here in the Philippines. So I'm going inside now guys. Hi guys, that's the zipline on the top. And that's the Tower D. Well, that's really beautiful and it's connected on the other side. That's amazing. And this is called the Hanging Bridge and Sky Bike. Yeah, this is guys. It's really beautiful and amazing. And this is a theme park guys. And it's really famous here in the Philippines. That's amazing. It's beautiful guys. And that's the grilling area, CR and shower, hanging bridge. So that's the hanging bridge over there guys. That's beautiful. Proudly the biggest and tallest mammoth in Asia. So this is guys. That's amazing. And this place is called Campuestohan Highland Resort. And there is a pool here that the children and adult can swim. That's guys, Campuestohan Highland Resort. This is a resort with a theme park. And over there is the Tower E. It's beautiful. amazing, guys. It's really beautiful. And this is just nearest in Talisay Airport. This place is in Talisay. It's beautiful. And the backdrop here is really a mountain. That's a mountain, guys. That's beautiful. Say hi. It's my vlog. Yeah, look at this, guys. It's beautiful. And it's really amazing. That's beautiful. And there is a cabana here, guys. If you're just having a picnic here with your family, you can rent this cabana. That's beautiful. A giant gorilla wave pool, dino park, a restaurant, CR and shower, grilling area. That's amazing. Great. Yeah, and this place, guys, is called Campuestohan Highland Resort. One of the most famous resorts here in Talisay, Negros Occidental, Philippines. It's just next to Talisay Airport. Beautiful. Yeah, look at this display, guys. It's amazing. It's really beautiful. It's really unique, guys. Campuestohan Highland Resort. Yeah, look at this, guys. It's amazing. Look at this pond, guys. There is a crab, there's a water lily, a flamingo, a frog. Amazing. It's really beautiful. Wow, it's amazing. Look at the view, guys. It's really beautiful. And guys, this is Rafaela Mill. Happy holidays. It's beautiful. Happy holidays.
Ay, doon. Kami nag-cottage lang kami.
Ah, okay. Dili ka dito tulog na gabi?
Ay, doon. Good morning kami kayo. Kaya ako sa iyo po.
And guys, that's the reception area. That's amazing. Next to Rafaela Mills. Happy holidays. And guys, this is proudly the biggest and tallest dinosaur in Asia. Look at that, guys. It's really tall and it's really huge. That's beautiful.
Ano kayo, wala ka na.
As you can see, guys, it's really tall and huge. And this place, guys, is called Campuestohan Highland Resort. That's beautiful. That's the biggest and tallest dinosaur. As you can see, guys, it's a lot of people today. It's really so crowded. Great. And they're facing each other, guys. And this is their children's carousel. And guys, this is called Cano Guapo. Yeah, guys, their outdoor gym is for free. So if you like to go here to do exercise, this is for free, and it's just free for public. Look at the beautiful and amazing panda, guys. It's cute. And guys, look at this beautiful and huge roster. This huge and amazing roster, guys, is a record holder. We made history manok ni Kano Guapo. Is certified by the Guinness World Records as the largest building in the shape of a chicken. So this is, guys. Thunderbird. The icon of the Philippines, your ultimate destinations, pride of the Negrenses, icon of the Philippines. So I'm just going on the upstairs.
Sabong na ba? Buwa kayo isa?
Pwede makasaka dira?
Pwede na tayo. Pwede na, masaka.
Diin asta? Dira lang oh?
Pwede, abot.
Okay, salam. Di guro pwede dira lang sa viewing deck? Okay, salamat. Okay, I'm going up now, guys. Wow. Look at this beautiful and amazing view, guys. It's really breathtaking. It's amazing. As you can see, the backdrop is the mountain. It's like a smoky mountain. It's beautiful. It's really gorgeous. It's beautiful. This is Campuestohan Highland Resort. It's like a theme park here in Talisay, Negros Occidental, Philippines. It's beautiful. So I'm just going up into another story, guys. It's beautiful.
Ako na. Dali na kaya po sa. Yes. Yes. Dali na kaya.
Hindi ka manok.
Look at the chicken leg, guys. I mean the feet. Amazing. It's beautiful, guys. As you can see, guys, it's really a lot of people because this place is one of the tourist attraction and also one of the tourist spots here in Negros Occidental, Philippines. That's why a lot of people are coming here like every day. Yeah. As you can see, guys, record holder, Guinness World Records, Manok ni Kano Guapo, the largest building in the shape of a chicken, certified by Guinness World Records.
Bayad ko na. Ito na tequila.
I don't. Guys, that place is a basketball shootout. So if you guys like to play basketball, then you can go there and play basketball. I mean, Bulls 32. That's guys, this is a huge and beautiful octopus. Only you can see in Campuestohan Highland Resort. Oh, that's cute dolphin there. Hello, dolphin.
Dito sa stop din.
Ang yan na
That's what they call a shark wave, guys.
Layo sa ilo. Deserve na sa'yo.
I think it's quite slippery, so.
Ano ko maligo? Ligo pa ito ah.
Picture na riga.
Wow, look at this, guys. Love, joy, and peace.
Hello.
Say hi. Yeah, it's my blog. Thank you. It's beautiful, guys. You know, the whole family can enjoy their day if they come here at Campuestohan Highland Resort. Yeah, look at the backdrop, guys. It's beautiful. Look at the mountain. Amazing.
Dali na! Hindi na kaya mag-swimming.
A place like no other. And that's a shark wave, guys. Yeah, that's the shark wave. And guys, this is their outdoor cafe. So if you want to dine in here, so just can go there in the outdoor cafe, guys.
Harap sa sakya daw. Kapit, sira ko din. Sira ko din.
I think this is the king of the gorilla, guys.
Sira ko din.
That's beautiful. Only you can find this in Campuestohan Highland Resort. It's beautiful and amazing.
Dati, ito sa damay na to. Di na iban guro. Wala ka na. Picture, oh. Ato lang taho. Sila ni. Yan.
Don't wish for it, work for it. And that, guys, is the Tower A.
Ikaw si Oh, kapit ka lang. Wow. Wato ba kayo tita? Ito ba?
Hey!
USAF. So if you want to enter going up there, guys, please pass this way. It's beautiful.
Ito pa. O, isa lang try. Dito po, ano ka tayo? Kasi dito, no?
Ay, di mo lang kami ito.
Sige na, try na. Head. Head. Shoulder. Hips.
Kanang may ngalan ba?
Dahil dito doon nangyalin sa babaw, baka tututin ko pa naman.
Dino Ball.
Hindi mo na galing? Hindi eh. Dinosaur!
Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that it will help me to support and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos updates. See you guys in my next vlog. Have a God bless day everyone. Bye guys. Take care. I love you.